Holy crap. Look at this snow. I thought it was done snowing today. Guess I was wrong. It's pretty amazing. I'm pretty excited about this. This will be nice for tomorrow. Just want to show this. It's so beautiful. At night, the light reflects off the snow all over the trees. And there's a nice layer of snow on the road. And the truck is taking it like a champ the whole way through. I had a little bit of slipping and sliding, but nothing too dangerous. Pretty happy that I went today. Look at this. I'm getting a lot closer to home now. The snow is at least a few inches or a couple inches after they plowed it, and it's still snowing. It's pretty nice driving on this. It feels good for some reason. I don't know why. It's a cool rock. Look how smooth that snow looks. Fresh. It's coming down more now. What happened, Weather Channel or weather.com? You were wrong. Go check my buddy out, Skip, see if he wants to drink a beer real quick before I retire to my humble abode. Alright, I'm at my buddy Skip's.
You won't have to, because then I don't have to put shoes on to measure.
That is so cool. This is a really nice...
That's usually where we measure our snowfall.
Well, it's really cool that it's snowing a lot, but not too much to where it's like burying us, you know?
Yeah.
Did you put yours in yet?
No, you were going to check yours and see if it's hard. You might have to re-zap it.
Over the... Ow, shit.
Oh, did you hit your head?
Yeah, fuck.
You know, you're handicapped. Your height, I call it height handicap.
My God, I've never...
And you hit hard. Did you hit hard?
Yeah.
You better take a picture of that. No blood?
No.
Yeah. You are one. What are you, 6'2"?
6'3".
6'3", yeah. Height handicap. Yeah.
Yeah, it can be a problem.
It can be, especially when somebody builds. That's illegal. In case you wonder.
What's illegal?
The height of that stairway.
Oh.
Look at that. So 8 inches.
8 inches?
You can call it a woody 8 inches.
You think that it would be more? I thought it was more than
Well,
that. Well,
it's settled.
It has
we might have 9.
melted a little
I would
bit.
call it 9, but we'll say we only got 8.
Well, that's good still.
See, a little less there. Look at a little tiny bit more here because of the house, I think.
Didn't we say
See, look at that. Now you can say 8.5.
Didn't we say yesterday it was gonna be like 3 or 4 inches?
Yeah, well, that's what we've. You're always guessing.
So this is a lot more than that. That's some nice fluffy snow too.
Well, it's pretty wet actually. When you can step on snow like this and it packs down, it's wet snow. Oh yeah. Okay.
Well,
So
whatever it
you
is,
say 8.5.
not bad.
Oh, you ought to go this way.
Shit.
As long as you have everything.
I think I do.
Okay. Well, you don't have a coat, hat.
I didn't bring it because
Okay, well,
I'm only going to my
you can
truck.
go that way.
All right.
You won't have, we won't both have to track through. In fact, here, I'll shut this door and I'll go the other way too.
You gonna go down?
Yeah.
All right.
Because then I won't have to kick my snow off.
Yeah. Keep the house
We don't
drier.
use these upper doors at all. Just to come. Look at this is all birds. We
Walking around here?
Yeah, we feed the ravens. Today I walked out and I bet we had a flock of 20 ravens.
Wow.
I'm hoping they don't get mad at us because if they attack you, they could eat you. You know, have you ever seen The Birds, the movie The Birds?
I have.
Yeah.
Or at least I've seen clips of it. Yeah.
Yeah, it was before your time, I think. I think it might have been before my time. But anyway, it could be scary.
I can't imagine walking down this or walking up or down this stairway when there's like
Well, we don't. We
feet of snow.
well, this will all get shoveled. We shovel everything.
And you put your
No,
windshield wipers
I don't
up?
normally do that. The only reason I did it is I had so much snow packed. I think it's better to leave them, and I drove it, and they would have been frozen. So I had to scrape the snow out that was wet.
Do you just use your hand or do you have a brush?
I used my hand. Didn't even have a glove on. Good night.
All right, good night. We'll see you later, Skip.
Okay.
Thanks, Skip. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. No. No. I'll get it later. Thanks, Skip. Good night. Well, that was fun.
See, 2 nice pieces of eucalyptus will last all night long.
Awesome. I gotta get to that point. Good night. Look at this snow. It's so fluffy.